Chiehruphi nakaslem jong Nongtrei Hima.
Kirkot ke Executive Committee jong ka Balang Presbyterian Chiehruphi. Kalai da jing Sneng ya ka Meghalaya Cement Limited top sem thang sky da ka baong Sngewbha da Sneng da krau Shwa ki Nongtrei ki jong phi Shwa bakin ang ya la ka Shyntur bakin da wat tokit Sngewbha namar ka jingkren lapla jong ki ka pensong si bat penmongi ki babun Balang. Ya kani ka jing Sneng ka Executive Committee jong ka Balang Presbyterian Chiehruphi. Kalakren ha ka jingle ya kandu ya ki ha ka Sngewbha ban pan jing pensyai halor ka jing kam jo we uhe ka top sem baka karkhana ka tay yeng mani ya ki light nong ka Chiehruphi wa ya jer ba thang sky. Ya kani ka jing kam uni uhe ka top sem ula pensngowling ba ki lat pathai khubor hadin ka public hearing ne ji pensngow pat ba ka blalong ha community hall ka karkhana ha ka arphusau trek uni ubnai. Haba pensyai shikinong yalam ka Balang Presbyterian u President ka Meghalaya Cement Limited u RK Parik u laong bu he ka karkhana u snothu bakla wat shim lamut satyai ki Balang ju ki laishnong hanai ukran ni ko we ka yeng mani ka ba ka top sem ka te po ka phalau jong ka karkhana na ka banta ki Nongtrei ki jong ka u RK Parik u laong bala dadon kanu ka jingkran bakla de kit khot ni Nongtrei ka bala penmong ni pensong si yanu upan ma palor kani bat ka top sem kam nang TEA bante ka yeng mani ka jongki hadin bigi dukhat ka Balang kila yo ya ka jingshai kila kentu ki he ka top sem an batha ki Nongtrei jongki ni ki nongkren ki ba de kren na ka banta ka company ka jongki baki de ban le homework ne khmi bani Shwa ya la ki kot kisla shabanwan put turai ya la de namar ka kta ya ka jingsngo jo ki wei u chairman ka Balang u teman basan RS Dhar haba kren chikila pathai khubor rapan pau bakila hon ni ki jing pensyai jo ka company halor ka te ka banta Hagate ka ju usngi kinong elam jo ka Balang ublay wa ya jeru kila let bani kandu ki he ka Meghalaya Cement Limited top sem ban pan jing pensyai halor ka te ka ju ka phang.
Mana yo ada Chiehruphi tak Chiehruphi tapi kila yang kelam itu dia mau ini konten macam yang Chiehruphi apa dia orang yang memang orang yang macam ini dia jadi selesai orang yang orang jadi itu pulang ini kalau Balang ni punya surong kelam orang itu aku cina aku dia tak sem Boy kana walang panasas na boy kami nasan mo daw yung boy sa tunayo ni bong ni kapsa. Yobe man mi itinam do mi ajing ipulma. Ngani te daw man ka tayo to em yung mini tunayo ni lebi ba. Isno men kan tunayo ni dangwa ngai ni orang ini di ma kita ka. Hakso pulang no no buat. Ako pulang itu. Ande ne itu he si yobe kana Balang subasi bibi kita percaya sudah ini sosial media ini kan roy kamu pulang apa percaya man dan isus ide yang bisa kita tahu ada kontak di poin there skip sebuah ini apa bisa terus keumuman ijnai ayu meniup apa sem di bentarnya aman di ibu poin dan dia bagi dia dia ambil baca ada poin dia coba poin uci warna wa percaya apa represent dia di akan manam dia man bahap na ba ayu mani yang lebih sebab apa option ya bukan semua berkat itu aku etes terus kan mau mesti pun jadi rakyat kami telur dan bahwa orang na mani yang kang jadi yang Balang ni dah dah cukup dengan itu dan kita ni kalau ni berbuat staff yang kira ni 10% yang di apa kelam itu ya tu orang ulang salam itu dia buat baik bah arhau di kudul jadi buat aktor kami setiap bulannya ila RR ada sekitar yang aku mana sama Balang Chiehruphi
di luar selama minum kot yang di Balang ada yo sekali yang kita channel yang company si busnya ni rayo ke ujung kelam orang mensuanu ide celam ada penjualan dari Sungai Chiehruphi atau sekali lewat dia. Rejim kelam yang udah dapat hari kat video, ajui porling aku kelam itu ahli mulai persnya na. Rejim poin dari yang Balang kelam itu ya Balang. We have made them road, we give them flight, we have made them churches. Churches kemudian macam seperti company, dalam kamu kenal, ya company jelas rokai, ya jelas. Dijemur buat senaria, illiterate now. Dia istilah illiterate now. Một haju for lela kita bangla. Let's see the point dalam di haju. Umur walaupun mana yang Euro ya, amin pada Balang. Awak nganin kemudian ada mau mengat pelapa Balang. Mengikat tu ira oki. Amurang ayo percaya. Openyo desna yang meneng lagi. Openyo dekam ide bonjai. Dan kuat kelami dia bonjai, kelami fit dia dua yang meneng mah. Jadi itu waktu ini yang oki ha tu video the viral lah. Boy ni dalam CV yang oki aku di depan yang Balang. Wa ayo tu we apologize bila media ni. Wa apologize bila yang company, wa apologize bila ini itu waktu video panskar obaklah. Nang wa ile yo ihun no wa pertela yo tim boto tu jingklam yang ka mano obaklah. Mentulai klam ini pun dah ni arah mano koi. Dato tu klam tu klam Sngewbha army is media iklam itu pila dia. Mereka tu jingklam yang ko ada viral lah. Play. Ni te daw ini yang di kuat ini yang di kuat apologize me teman di media rak media liang yang office muslim presiden belang dia apologize me buat perci bila waktu tu jingklam mana kelang ini dah hol ikut dia arab tu poin ini yo ya awi orang pin dia omongi we have nothing to do with the public hearing it have nothing to do with public hearing Nongtrei poin ini tu yo ya jingce jingito waktu jingklem yang apa pun ni tawa ada lek
Is a young person able to have 3 villages. They give me 3 villages. Each night, we have also made them churches. Churches, you put them around if you want to transfer their the movie take out and you know, say, well, a cloud, but you say, and we are going to human fellowships now. That is now to atau dia ke human ini. Ila itu jauh sejak waktu orang ambil dia kan senang. Apa percaya orang hendak yakat human ini senang kita. Iwan kan senang. Emang jadi senang. Jisnya orang tu senang jemda. Tidak. Wali ini dia bagi cepat ini.
Church member from Chiehruphi Presbyterian Church. So, as we have seen in the media, in the video which went viral, where one of your employee, we can say, from the top 7 company, which claimed that they have built church in this out-district village. Yes, he didn't mention which particular church, but he said that we have built them churches. I'll talk only about churches, okay? Because we come from church. I don't want to talk about this road and village and all. Okay, so we come here because the video is went viral. We come here to get a clarification from your side. On what condition, on what basis that the company claimed that they have built church in our village. Okay, so we need a clarification from your side. We didn't have anything to do with the public hearing, clearly. Okay, we didn't have anything to do with the public hearing. Public hearing, it went like whatever happened, it happened. But we come here just to get a clarification because the video now went viral. People said that maybe the company have give you, but you never informed. In the Chiehruphi Presbyterian Church, the public say that maybe the company have give you that amount, or maybe they have give you a church, but you just make it secret. Okay. So we need a clarification from your side. Since the video went viral, we also from members, we need a clarification from your side to clarify it in the media. If it is wrong, if it is not true, apologize it. Then we also from the church member will be okay. Okay, because it goes viral, we need a clarification from your side also in the media only, so that we also don't have anything to say if you clarify it in the media. I think you have cleared the point. That's the point we come here today for this meeting.
Which one of the members actually has said about these things. I think our local director might have clarified everything. But the members neglect. I have to speak something for something. So a man who is sitting in the toilet, he doesn't know anything. Just he was asking for approach to the Mama, our local director, and local director is telling that the one church is being constructed here, and he has shown. He don't know what is the about the system of the three village, etc., etc. He don't know anything. Yes, if anything of the members about the sentiments, particular of the word, I apologize for all the Chiehruphi people because of that. These things, as this is a separate matter, I 100% agree, not related to the hearing, not related to the hearing. Again, I'm sorry, whatever the thing has happened, what has been said. His intention was only that he was not knowing even how many churches are there. He was not knowing. As because the local people, our phone mama has requested so many times, I'm not the authority, we are to take permission from the company. Permission from the company, church will be there. This system is going on more than 2 years. Once we receive the clarification or permission, whatever you can say, then that started. He knows only about that church. He doesn't know anything about it. He doesn't know anything. Because the rest is our internal matter, internal miss or the top matter. Again, I apologize for all the Chiehruphi village if any this type of word sentiments it will hurt to you. Thank you.
So from now onwards, so please take care of your employee to take care of their tongue before they speak anything. Before they speak anything, to take care of their tongue. Otherwise, that one what you have said, it hurt us so much as a church. Not only a church member, whole church it hurt so much. So from now onwards, if any employee speak on behalf of the company, please take care. Please let them do their homework first before they speak anything. Otherwise, it might maybe their tongue might hurt somebody else. Okay. So from our side, what else we can say? President already apologized regarding that. And then from my side, as members of the church, that's only. Maybe some other members they might say something.
Hagaji day bat kani gajiwan jongi Shanesha Meghalaya Cement Company Limited abangitip kumga Topsam Cement kumgi teman masan bat kirang ba Balang Iwan Shani na nama ba kuat banyak gajicip halor kami day bat itu gajingkren jongway dikhar hadin maladap kondok ya ke public hearing da kami Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board upang ba wat ye ki yin mene jong ki gilai ti di Snengewbha ka company galat hanrei ha ga du por nagaliang jongi ki biyo sio du por ni dap ga ji sio khia ni sio jem daur ha ga du por namar ba ye ki ye ga yin mene ga jongi ha Balang ga jong Presbyterian Chiehruphi ha Shwa ba ni company kan poi nila dap snal pa ga yin mene ka dau ko ba pelong hi yangi bangin wan hang ne nilio ya ga jing Pensai na liang jongga Topsam Cement lengbau local director barhagaju ko por lengbau presiden jongka iong bau tu khar bakren hagro sing usnyo thu bakala ngiru ngitip ya gaji bakala open mi ya ga bau usna baka company kala snai kom ya gaji mene dei tan kata halor kata kana rim niwan halor gaji wan jongi hilayo ngilio gaji machai no nau local director bat kumjuru na presiden jongka yong mau yang thu bakla Sngewbha map yang ba ngimdon ngimdon ti na kumta ban thau ya ki mene ka jong ti kumki teman mesan bat kirang ba kala ngila hun ya ka jing aji ba kan ki nagaliang jongi ni penchai se ka prothe baga company baga Meghalaya Company Limited lani ka Topsam Cement kamsyam na thau ya kani ding mane haga Balang hinre mangi ni thau dalade yelade ketang buda blesibo